Now let's see how to remove the duplicate values in Excel. So first of all, we'll see in this particular A column, do we have any duplicate values? So you can check that from the conditional formatting. You can go to the conditional formatting, highlight cell rules. Then if you click this one, duplicate values, then here you can select a color. Let me keep it as the red color and I'll click OK. Here I can see there are duplicate values. So David is duplicated, Kumar is duplicated, ABD is duplicated. So I want to remove these duplicate values. So simply what I can do, I can select the column or the cell range where I want to remove the duplicate values. Then I can go to this data. Under data, I have remove duplicates. So once I click remove duplicates, it is giving me an option to select the columns that I want to remove the duplicates. So here I am going to remove the duplicates which is there in the column A. So now I'll click OK. Once I click OK, here you can see 4 duplicates values were found and removed. So 9 unique values are there. Then click OK. Then you can see whatever the red color ones disappeared. So we kept that conditional formatting. Again we'll go to the conditional formatting and check whether there are any duplicates. Let me put it here. You can see there is no value with red color. That means what, all the duplicates got removed. So this is how you can remove the duplicates in Excel within few seconds.